Here's a big question. Do you really need to upgrade your Samsung S23 Ultra, or is it still holding its ground in 2025 against Xiaomi 15 Ultra? On one side, we have S23 Ultra, a 2-year-old flagship that you can now get for almost 3 times cheaper than Xiaomi 15 Ultra. On the other, the latest and greatest camera phone of 2025, co-engineered with Leica. But how big is the difference really? If you own S23 Ultra, should you stick with it and save your money? Or is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra truly worth the premium? Let's find out.
Hey folks, today on our table we have 2 years old Samsung S23 Ultra and just 2 weeks old Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and we'll find out which of these devices is still the best in 2025. I decided to compare these two devices with a specific reason. The thing is that Samsung S23 Ultra is the only device on the market that you can still buy with 10x optical zoom for telephoto camera. If I'm not right here, please correct me, but I couldn't find any other devices with 10x optical zoom, because all the other versions of Samsungs that were after that, they had maximum optical zoom up to 5x. Also on Xiaomi 15 Ultra it is only 4.3. Of course, less megapixels, smaller sensor, but still 10x optical zoom. I think it was a very bold move from Samsung to make the camera like this. And today we will see, was it a good move and did it have any reason to do anything like that or not? To me, I couldn't understand the downgrade reason from Samsung to go from 10x to 5x on the optical zoom and to put most of the processing on the CPU processing. Maybe it was sort of marketing things. Let me know guys, what do you think about this? But anyway, we have today the battle. This is the dawn, 10-15 minutes before the sunrise. Filming on both S23 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's see how both cameras are working, especially while moving. Where is a better stabilization? Of course, it's 2 years and better sensor, but still I consider S23 Ultra is very good camera. What do you think?
Let's talk image quality. Samsung S23 Ultra delivers bright, super sharp images, but sometimes the sharpness feels a bit overprocessed. On the other hand, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, co-engineered with Leica, produces a softer, more natural look with a warm, almost feel-like tone. Look at the difference. Samsung's high processing brings out every detail, while Xiaomi keeps things smooth and organic. Which style do you prefer? And considering that S23 Ultra is a 2-year-old phone with a smaller sensor, it's still delivering impressive results. But in 2025, does it still hold up against Xiaomi's latest tech?
The sunrise was approximately a few minutes ago, but I'm walking behind the trees, so it's still darkish in here. I'm walking with both cameras, Samsung S23 Ultra, here this guy is, and also my Xiaomi 15 Ultra. On the camera preview I can clearly see that the colors are more vibrant and I can see more details on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. But of course we are not comparing here both devices, which one is better. But this video is to understand actually if you need to upgrade from Samsung S23 Ultra to the latest Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I'm really curious to see how stabilization will work. In my previous video comparison of Xiaomi 15 Ultra with iPhone 16 Pro, we saw how bad stabilization in a low light environment is on iPhone 16 Pro. Actually, I was really surprised because I'm using this phone since it was released. What do you think about these two guys? Which one do you like more? There are of course certain pros and cons on both devices. Samsung S23 Ultra has a stylus, and I think the design is very elegant and it looks like a very expensive phone. While Xiaomi 15 Ultra, of course, the main advantage is it's a great camera, and also you can purchase this photography kit, and I got my for free. Actually transformed this camera into like cinematic kit. It's not about to say which device is better, it's more if you really need to upgrade it or not. I think it's up to your budget. I decided to upgrade because the camera is the thing number one for me, and the only things that I don't like about all Samsung cameras, I think that it adds too much vibrancy and the colors are a bit overtuned on all Samsung devices, but again, it's just my opinion. Okay, this is my favorite part, actually testing devices on the golden hour. I'm filming simultaneously on both devices,
Golden hour, the perfect time to test smartphone cameras. The warm tones, soft lighting, and gentle movement of the water challenge dynamic range, detail retention, and color science. So let's see how the Samsung S23 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 Ultra compare side by side. Right away, the Samsung S23 Ultra gives us a stunning cinematic feel, deeper contrast, rich golden highlights, and a smooth processed look. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, on the other hand, takes a different approach. Its colors are more natural, with a softer contrast and a more natural rendering of the scene. But which one do you prefer? Look at how the light interacts with the ripples. Samsung enhances the golden reflections, while Xiaomi stays closer to reality. If you love a dramatic, almost movie-like feel, you might lean towards the S23 Ultra, but if you prefer an image closer to what your eyes actually see, well, Xiaomi does a great job here. Now let's zoom in. This is where things get interesting. The Samsung S23 Ultra has a 10x optical zoom, while Xiaomi 15 Ultra maxes out at 4.3x optical, but despite that, take a look at the details. At the first glance, you would expect Samsung to have the upper hand, right? But after all, 10x optical zoom should mean better quality. But look closely, Xiaomi retains more detail, especially in the feathers and water textures. Samsung's image looks great, but you can see some aggressive sharpening and processing happening. Xiaomi's shot, despite the lower zoom capability, appears more natural. What do you think? Does higher optical zoom always mean better quality? And here's another example. Samsung's processing adds a little extra sharpness, while Xiaomi keeps things smooth. Which one do you think handles zoom better? Drop a comment below. One last look at the overall scene. Both phones deliver impressive results, but they have their own unique styles. Samsung leans in the contrast, punchy colors, and a more processed look, while Xiaomi goes for a softer, more natural image with detailed zoom performance. So which one wins? The cinematic vibes of the Samsung S23 Ultra or the natural clarity of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Let me know what do you think in the comments, and if you enjoy this comparison, don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera tests. Macro photography, where tiny details make a big difference. Samsung has a powerful zoom, but Xiaomi comes with a dedicated macro mode, so let's see which one wins. First, let's look at Samsung. With its high-quality zoom, I can step back and still get a detailed shot. The texture looks sharp and the colors are well balanced. But now look at Xiaomi's macro mode. Wow, the level of details here is incredible. Xiaomi lets me get extremely close, capturing even the tiniest veins on the petals and individual pollen grains. It almost looks like a microscopic shot. While Samsung's zoom does a great job from the distance, you can see the Xiaomi's macro mode brings out finer textures and a more natural depth of field. Which style do you prefer, zooming in from afar or getting up close with macro? So, in the battle of macro shots, Samsung's zoom or Xiaomi's dedicated macro mode, both are impressive, but which one do you think takes the win? Let me know in the comments.
I'm filming on the main back camera, holding my phone just in front of me. I hope my head is not cut, because that's what might happen when you don't have the screen. What do you think, guys? Of course, now the weather is just perfect. It's an ideal condition for any kind of cameras. I presented already today in the low light condition, so let's check in the normal condition, where perhaps 80% of the people are filming in here. Okay, I'm enabling now 4.3 on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let me just zoom in a bit. And let me just repeat the same test with Samsung S23 Ultra with 10x optical zoom. So this duck is even further now. Let me just point the camera to the close by duck. I can zoom in a bit. Of course, we are losing some details while zooming in, but still I consider that 10x zoom, it was a great idea. Let's test the front camera. The sun is right behind me. I'm doing it on purpose to see if it will blind the picture or not. So on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the image looks brighter and more in details, what you will see on the large screen. Of course, both cameras are set to 4K 30 FPS. So let's just check how zoom works. What do you think, guys? Where do you see more details? Which one is more clear for you? Personally, as I mentioned already, I like 10x zoom and I wish more cameras are having it instead of AI processing. Let's film this grab again. Well, actually, it's slightly another one. Of course, he's diving. This guy is not really photo friendly. There's a mallard, actually the couple of mallards. Both cameras are now filming in 10x. 10x optical zoom on Samsung and 4.3x and up to 10x digital zoom on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. What do you think, guys? Does it make sense to upgrade your camera? Let me know. Okay guys, so this is a 60 fps test. Now both devices are in 4K 60 fps. I'm moving. I just want to see how the videos will be less shaky. I'm wearing gloves. It's a little bit cold. Oh, it's like -3. So let me know, guys, what do you think? In one of my next episodes, I will show you if you can achieve the same quality of the video and the photos from your Xiaomi 15 Ultra as you would get from Sony RX10 Mark IV. And now this is 8K 30 fps on Samsung S23 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So guys, what do you think? Which camera 8K looks better for you? So now both phones are switched to 0.6 camera. It's wide camera. So guys, what do you think? On the preview, Samsung has so vibrant and oversaturated colors. On Xiaomi, the colors look more natural. So guys, just let me know what you think about upgrading from Samsung S23 Ultra to Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Doesn't make sense, because S23 Ultra can now be purchased for approximately $300 up to $400, while Xiaomi 15 Ultra is almost 3 times more expensive. Is it 3 times better? What do you think? Just leave the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.